But also I hear so much from people who, like you said, don't have kids at home, maybe never had kids, maybe are well past all of that and think, yeah, God can't use me, even though I feel like maybe he wants to. And I say, look to the Bible. The Lord used people who were well past the age of what they thought.
Yeah.
In the Bible, over and over again, quote unquote, old people were used to further his kingdom.
Amen.
So he's not done with you. And especially if you're doing everything that we're talking about and you're spending that time and you're getting intimate with him and you're able to be quiet enough and less busy to be able to hear from him. And he's saying, I need to keep using you. I want to keep using you.
So good.
What Chichi's talking about, this is an amazing place to use you. Give to a younger generation, because you guys, we need them to keep this party going. We need them to grow up, and we need to raise baby Christians to be this next generation that does all this. So you can absolutely be used. And since we know that the fourth main component of your wellness is relationships and spirituality, this hits that for you. But might I just include, since this is this podcast, what if that time that you bring them in is when you go for a walk? You're walking 20 minutes a day anyway? Okay. Bring somebody into a walk. Invite them to go for a walk with you. Not Chichi, though, because he doesn't like nature, we've established.
I'll walk, but let's just walk in the city. We could walk in the mall. We could walk anywhere else. We could walk somewhere. But man,
nowhere mosquitoes.
Mountains and hikes. I'll do it for my wife, but that's about where it stops. But you're so right. Great. You're so right.